Now, I want to give a disclaimer before this video, because I usually use music to kind of tone down my videos, but this one, I want to leave it in the raw. So in this video, I want to give a disclaimer that you're going to hear loud shop noises, because it's in the raw. Enjoy.
Okay, remember yesterday how we talked about speeds and feeds? Well, this also applies with speeds and feeds, but this is more of a depositing metal at a different time rate with your speeds and feeds. Now to make these kinds of welds, I need my tungsten looking about like that. If you start seeing it getting a little jaggy on the end, clean it up. It makes a big difference.